Nag-animong uod ang kababayan ni Zulani Tete na si Gideon Buthelezi matapos itong pagapangin at parusahan ng Pinoy sa rematch ng kanilang laban sa loob lamang ng unang round. Pero bago ko tuloy ang video na to, kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel, mas maganda kung na-subscribe ka na at pindutin mo na rin ang notification bell button para lagi ka ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay lagi kang updated sa mga bagong pangyayari sa boxing. Gustong gumapang pero hindi na kaya ng mga paa. Kahit ang mga kamay na lang ito ang nagsusumikap para makausad kahit paunti-unti. Pinilit bumangon pero hindi na kaya ng katawan. Yan ang kinahantungan ng African boxer matapos nitong lasapin ang mabangis na paghihiganti ng Pinoy. Noong unang laban kasi nito noong November 10, 2012 sa Emperor's Palace, Kempton Park, South Africa, ay hindi nagawang pabagsakin ng Pinoy ang African sa sarili nitong teritoryo sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan. Kaya noong umabot sa mga hurado ang desisyon ng laban, 112-115, 113-115, 114-113 at pumabor sa African boxer ang split decision. Bigong masungkit ng Pinoy na si Edrin Dapudong ang nooy bakanting IBO World Superfly. Kaya labis ang pagkadismaya ng kampo ng Pinoy at gusto nito makabawi sa kalaban. Hindi ito lumaban sa loob ng 7 buwan para ma-preserve ang kanilang rematch status. June 15, 2013, nandumayo ulit sa South Africa ang ating kababayan sa mismong venue kung saan naganap ang unang laban ng dalawa. Dito na talaga hindi nagdalawang isip si Dapudong na turuan ng leksyon at magpakilala sa mga kababayan ni Buthelezi kung sino ba talaga ang karapat-dapat sa bakanting titulo. Si Edrin Dapudong noon ay may kartadang 29 na panalo at may 5 talo. Samantalang si Gideon Buthelezi naman ay may kartadang 13 panalo at may 3 talo. Bakbakan na agad mga lods.
Blue and red trim, former South African mini flyweight champion, former IBO mini and junior flyweight world champion, and the current IBO junior bantamweight champion of the world, Gideon Hardcore Buthelezi.
The fight, Gideon Buthelezi defending his IBO junior bantamweight world title for the second time against the same man. A lot of people thought last time out he got a bit lucky with the decision, is Gideon Buthelezi. But he says he's up for it tonight. As you see, land a terrific right hand there.
Yeah, a very, very good start by Gideon Buthelezi, Brian. And as you were saying, Brian, in their last fight, Buthelezi, had a bad tendency of dropping his guards. Let's see if tonight he will be doing something different because it didn't work out for him last time.
Yeah, he allowed Dapudong to control the pressure. Dapudong was coming forward for 12 rounds last time out, and a very, very difficult decision to call. But a lot of people did feel Dapudong did enough. So can Buthelezi up his game tonight and fight a better fight? So far, so good. Nice combination from Gideon Buthelezi. Old trainer Harold Forbrack has told me off air that Buthelezi is trained very hard for this fight. He's not happy that some people felt he may have lost the last one.
Yeah, and also what was interesting, Brian, was that what was revealed on Tuesday was the fact that Buthelezi struggled with the weight in their last fight, which is very, very interesting because he was coming from a junior flyweight division up to junior bantam, two weight divisions up. So there was no reason for him really to be having weight problems.
He's a big man for the weight, Peter. I'm quite surprised that he actually fought in the junior flyweight division because he must have really battled to make junior flyweights. But yes, he was even battling, Harold tells us, to make the junior bantamweight division. But this time he's done it professionally and worked hard on his weight. And tells us he will look better. So far, so good.
So far, so good. And that's because also he's keeping his guards up, making sure that he does not get hit unnecessarily. As Referee Robert Berg there wants Dapudong for hitting below the belt.
A good opening round so far for the champion Gideon Buthelezi.
Break.
Dapudong has had 33 fights, very experienced man.
Hindi na binigyan ng trabaho ang mga hurado sa nasabing laban dahil round 1 pa lang ay tinapos na ng Pinoy. Halos hindi mapansin ang suntok ng Pinoy dahil magkasabay silang bumitaw. Naging gulat na lang ng mga African boxing fans. Bigla na lang bumulagta ang kanilang pambato. Pero kung sisilipin natin sa slow motion, isang biglaang counter na kaliwa ang tumapos kay Buthelezi at nagpagapang sa kanya.
And right on the money. And Buthelezi was out for the count. There was absolutely no way Brady was going to make that count. As we can see the slow-mo here.
We see
Look
it
at the
again.
left.
Oh, perfectly timed left hook.
Dito nga mga lods ay nagmumukhang sisiw na walang paa si Buthelezi. Gustong gumapang ngunit hindi na ito maangat ang kanyang mga paa. Kaya pinilit nitong gumapang gamit lamang ang kanyang mga kamay para makausad. Hindi na nagdalawang isip ang referee na si Robert Bird. Kumaway na ito para matapos na ang laban. Makalipas ang ilang sandali habang nagdidiwang ang kampo ni Edrin Dapudong ay hindi pa rin pala nakatayo si Buthelezi. Grabe talaga ang bagsik ng Pinoy kapag nakaramdam ito ng galit at maisipang maghigante. Parusa talaga ang kahantungan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video ngayon mga lods, huwag mag-atubiling i-like, share at subscribe sa ating munting channel para lagi ka ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga lods. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless. Kung kayo ay nagmamay-ari ng XTZ125, KLX, CRF150L, CRF250L, XR150, XR200 at marami pang mga enduro models, just visit J Moto Parts and Accessories on Shopee and Facebook page.